Can you see how this weaving became a little bit too tight? I'm going to show you how to loosen it. And I did start weaving something here, but it's okay because this is still wide. So what I'm going to do is undo some of this and give myself a fairly big loop. So I'm going to just keep taking this out until, I think I might do one more. I have a pretty big loop. And then I'm going to make sure this is like in the middle. Oh, actually I'm gonna go one more because I want this to be the opposite. So I'm gonna push this string down. I know it's hard to see with the white, but if I have this, now this will be the right pattern. So I'm gonna leave the tail here so it doesn't stick off. And then I'm just gonna slowly bring this weaving down, and sometimes I even like hold on to the side string to make sure that that stays nice and wide. And I can just take each one. So I don't really have to reweave it. I'm just pulling it down and then loosening it as I go to make sure it's as wide as the strings. And I'll need to do that with all of this, the white, black, and then the white again. So I've got the white pushed down to here. I did have to cut the knot because that was tied together. So always make sure that you keep this away from the warp thread if you have to cut a knot. And then I can still do the same thing with these to move them down. I'll have to like loosen it again because if I just push this down, it's gonna tighten the yarn up. You can see that that's tighter than what my new weaving is. So that's kind of the cool thing about weaving is it can go up and down on the warp thread.